Hi everyone. So here we have a Panasonic RD15 from 1990s. Radio is fully serviced and we did manage to install the Bluetooth. It has a few scratches here and there, but what is great about it that it still has original drawer, so you can take it out anytime you want. This is security from 1990s. So yeah, let's test it out. Let's try the cassette. Okay, let's go forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Okay, all good. So this is two-color radio. I will show you in a second. Let's see how it looks in the dark. This is green color. Green color, for some reason camera don't focus very well, but I can show you that all backlights are great. Here's another one. So two colors means that you can fit in your car dashboard. If your car dashboard is in green, you can use the green. If it's in yellow or orange, you can use the orange. Okay. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to press the CD, which means that we did eliminate the aux, which is outdated. So simply press the CD button once. Now the Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a few seconds. Here it is. That's it. It's connected now. All you have to do is go to your cell phone and play any music you have on your phone. Hold on a second. Yep. How cool is that, huh? To have radio from 90s with the Bluetooth. Ads, of course. 1 second. Cool, right? So when you want to back to your regular radio FM mode, simply press the band button once and you're back to FM mode. Very simple and very cool. Thumbs up, guys. Forgot to mention that this radio is for sale, so if anyone is interested, let me know or email me and we will sort it out.